Hey everyone, this is Nilesh. So this video we are going to discuss about the how you can create your dream customer avatar. So before starting this video, if you are with me on live, put hashtag live, or on replay, put hashtag replay in the comment. And yeah, the free call offer is still going on for few days, like 2020 till 1st January, 31st December. So you can book a free call with me. The link in the comment section. So uh, we can connect on a call to understand what the biggest problem you are facing in your business right now and how I can help you. Right. So let's get started with the video of the day. Is how to create a dream customer avatar. So there's a few points, like around 7 points we are going to talk. So first point is, where does your dream customers congregate? Where does your dream buyers are hanging out? So first you have to understand, like, where is your dream customer are, on which platform they are. So once you understand this thing, it is more easy for you to get your dream customers. Then second point is, uh, where what are their biggest challenges or frustration? Because if we, as we are the entrepreneur and we have the challenges, like I am facing challenges every single day. I am frustrating for so many times. So challenges and our frustration is always be there. So what are their challenges or frustration? So you have to understand that second one. Then the third one is, what are their dreams and their desires. Everyone has their dreams. I have the dream to attend the funnel hacking live 2020 in 22 at at person, in person, right? So they also have kind of desire, they also have a dream, they also have a goals. So we have to understand, like, what is their goals, desire. Then what is their biggest fears? Everyone has fears. We are an entrepreneur and we have the fears within us, like, what if I was failed? Yeah, I have this fear in me as well. Like, what if I was not achieve the things that I have to dream, I have a dream. So they also have the fears. So they are at the stage of the beginner. So you have to understand, like, what is the fears of theirs at the earlier initial days of their journey. So you have to figure it out, that thing. And next is, how do they communicate? Like, what is the way, the platform? Like, I'm on for Facebook. Are they on Instagram? Are they on YouTube? What is the way they are communicate? And the last next sixth point is, what does a day of how they use how they activate their day, how this, what is the way they are delivering the doing, what is the thing they are doing in their day, whole day, right? So what they do on the morning, in evening, and in the afternoon. So how they uh, spend their time in a day. So you have to do this. And what makes them, what is the end goal of this, what is the end goal? So this is the seventh point. So once you understand this particular thing, then this is much easy for you to figure it out, who is your dream customers avatar, how you can set up your dream customer avatar. And also, one of the best thing is, you are the your dream customer avatar is, like, if I share about myself, so I decided my dream customer avatar is like the people who are engaging, watching a lot of YouTube videos. Because at starting of my journey, or before starting of my journey, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. So I know, like, they are also on YouTube and follow this particular channels. So this is the first thing. Then they are doing this thing, like they are doing Amazon affiliate. Because I start at starting of my journey, I did Amazon affiliate, I did blogging. So I thought, let's they are also doing this thing. So I type this thing, that. Then the next point is their hopes, their dreams. So I have the dream of world travel. So they also have this kind of dreams. So some kind of thing that might be world travel. They want to give some gift to their parents. So this is kind of things. Then fears. So fear is always like at initial days of journey, like fear of failure. So now fear is something else. So they have the fears of failure. They might. So this is the fear. And yeah, how they so in the morning he was started with these watching some free courses. So kind of day how he spent his time on day. So this is the thing that I implement, that I do. So you can also do like for your dream customer avatar, to set up your dream customer avatar. So hope you got value from this particular video. And yeah, Chiranjeevi, thank you. It's a 299th day. And and this is the one thing that I was I don't know. But yeah, this is the one thing that I continuously doing it without any single day break. Thank you, brother Divakar, for jumping on live. Thank you, Chiranjeevi bro, for hopping on live. Wow. If so we can connect on tomorrow. Value. Thank you, bro. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Glad you still, if you are with me on live, put hashtag live, or with me on replay, put hashtag replay. And thank you so much, everyone, for hopping on live or hopping on replay. And yeah, if you still have any query, any doubt, you can message me, you can reach out to me, you can book a free call with me. I put the link in the comment section, so you can book a free call with me. The free call for an hour is only for 1st Jan or 31st December. Till then, first from 1st Jan, I am not give 1 hour of free call. I just do 15 or 20-minute free call. That's it. So you have a time or you have a chance, so you can book a free call. I put the link in the comment section. So till then, bye bye. Have a great rest of the day, night, morning, evening, whatever the part of the world you are watching me. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.